Assalamu alaikum, hello, good evening. Welcome to 9 p.m. on STD English News. The headlines. Djibouti African Union, the President Mohamed Ghali arrived at Addis Ababa for the Tory Summit. In Djibouti African Union Peace, the Republic of Djibouti elected yesterday the Peace and Security Council of the African Union. And outside of the news, at least 40 days in exposition of tribe influence in Kabul. That was the headlines, and now welcome to the national news. The President of the Republic, His Excellency Mohamed Ghali, arrived today, Saturday, in the afternoon in Addis Ababa, the Ethiopian capital, where he will take part between January 28 and 29 the work of 20 summit of head of state and government of the African Union. He was warmly welcomed by the Minister of Labor and Social Affairs of Ethiopia and senior officials of the African Union. In the fight against corruption, sustainable paid for the transformation of African, it is under this theme that reflection will be focused on during the Tory Summit of the African Union. During this meeting, Africa's head of state and government will try to develop new anti-corruption strategies to post-African growth. The Republic of Djibouti was elected yesterday for a 2-year term on the Peace and Security Council of the African Union. At the ministerial meeting attended by our Foreign Minister Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, this election reflected the recognition that the continent attached to our continent's diplomatic action on peace and security issues on the continent. Djibouti's role is particularly appreciated in its resolving conflict in our region, particularly in Somalia and Sudan. The Tory African Union Summit in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, preparatory work of the Committee of Permanent Representative for African Ambassadors accredited to the African Union was held for 2 days between 22 and 23 January. Foreign Minister take really to set up the organization and agenda of the Assembly of Heads of State. On this basis, the head of state or government should look from tomorrow and to January 28 9 on several topics of the African news. In the day on Tuesday, January 25, 2018, the Minister of Housing, European Planning and Environment, Mr. Musa Mohamed Ahmed, head of a large delegation of his department, were in the region of Al Sibi to see in the presence of the prefect of the region of Al Sibi, Mr. Mohamed Wapriasoui, a potential site that can accommodate a recreational park. Indeed, the city of Al Sibi was expanded rapidly and the space are occupied by housing, so it needs a space where or Asajuk can entertain and practice various sports and cultural activities. To make this park a reality, the Minister in charge of the environment and the Minister of Agriculture work together. The Minister in charge of Agriculture will provide the plants and provide the water supply the park. The environment will ensure the development of the park by beginning the work of demarcation of the site. In an interview, the Director of the Environment, Mr. Hussein Irash, will say more. It was Tuesday afternoon yesterday. The UNFD Secretary General Fatima Musa and the Minister of Women and Family Moumina Ahmed Hassan inaugurated the UNFD antenna in city Nasibe. The inauguration ceremony saw the presence of community leaders and local population of the city. The main objective of this antenna is to offer women a meeting place, but also a space to learn various training such as swimming, embroidery, literacy and craft, which is very important for social development. The dissemination of the culture of peace, the Intellectuals Jewish Union has organized today at the Institute of Diplomatic Study at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation a conference of debate and discussion under the theme Jaburi Credit of Peace and Stability. Different personalities take part in the group of intellectuals for the intercultural dialogue, including the President and Vice President of the Union of Jewish Intellectuals and the members of the Union as well as the Jewish Intellectuals. In his speech, the Vice President of the Union of Jewish Intellectuals, Mr. Ibrahim Muhammad Farah, indicated that this meeting is taking place to organize a debate to discuss on the subject of cultural of peace. The Jewish Karukate and Federation proceeded last night in the State High School University of Jewry to a mass practice between the various security schools in front of leaders and parents of students practicing this material and art practice that court. Remember that this event, the first of its kind Jewish court, was marked by a mass training with a technical lesson of the President of the Federation and International Sports of Karate, Mr. Abdulkader Burhan Kananu. The President of the Jewish Union, the group intellectual, intervened during the meeting to discuss the importance of peace for development.
L'état d'esprit des karatékas.
And now the news aside, Kabul, a car bombing exploded Saturday in Kabul, killing at least 40 people and injuring 140 people. The attack was quickly claimed by the Taliban. It is a secret Taliban claim a place bombing Saturday in central Kabul has left at least 40 dead and 140 wounded, sowing terror and desolation in one of the lifeless neighborhoods of the Afghan capital. That's it for tonight's news. Thanks for being with us and have a wonderful evening.